To get to Google Classroom, type classroom.google.com. You might have to sign into your school Google account. This is your main screen. It has all the class cards for classes you're teaching and classes you're enrolled in as a student. This is the triple stacker menu. It has your calendar, your to-do list, and all of the classes you're teaching or enrolled in. It also has advanced settings. Let's jump into a class. This is your stream. The stream is used for announcements and reminders. You can assign it to a specific class and to specific students. You can attach links and files, and you can schedule when your post will occur. If you make a post and need to make a change, just click the triple dotty menu. This is the Google Meet link. We're going to talk about that later. Classwork. This is where all the work a student will do will be organized, which could include reading, tests, quizzes, and many other things. These items should be organized into topics. To create something new, click the Create button. People. All of the students will be automatically enrolled in your course. If you are missing students or need to add students, you can do that yourself. You'll add students by clicking here and entering their email address. Here you can email, remove, or mute students. You can also email students by clicking the triple dotty menu. You can look at a specific student's assignments by clicking their name. Back to the triple stacker menu to jump back into the class. Grades. When students complete their work, their grades will show up here. You can edit from this screen, or you can go into an assignment. Click on the assignment, and this is called the grading tool. It will show a student's work, and you can use the drop-down menu to navigate to a new student, or use the arrows. Enter the grade here, leave a comment if you'd like, and choose to return work. This notifies the student that you're done grading. To leave the grading tool, go back to the Classroom tab and back to the triple stacker menu. This is the gearbox, where you can get specific course settings. You can change information about your class. You can hide the class code. You can change who can post on the stream. You can change what kind of announcements occur on the stream. And you can change how you're going to grade students. You can choose no grade, total points, or weighted by category. If you choose weighted by category, you do have to enter categories that add up to 100%. You can also choose to hide the grade from students. Now for the Google Meet. You do have the enterprise version of Google Meetings, and there's more updates coming. You'll keep this link invisible until it's time for a meeting. Then you'll click Save. You'll go into the meeting, and you'll wait for students. Students within your domain can automatically enter. If they're outside your domain, they'll have to knock first. You can pin a student, you can mute a student, or you can remove a student. Click the triple dotty menu to record your meeting. There's other features here as well. You can turn on closed captions or present your screen. You can also chat with all students. When you end a meeting, you'll have to remove every student that hasn't hung up on their own. Then you'll leave, go back to Settings, you will shut off visibility, you'll reset the link, and now you're ready for the next class.